TikTok doesn't reward effort, it rewards pattern recognition. AI video tools can help, but only if you understand how TikTok actually works. In this video, I will show you the best AI video workflows for TikTok, what formats are trending right now, and how to optimize AI generated videos so they don't look fake or ignored. This is about performance, not tools. So, how TikTok sees your video. TikTok doesn't judge creativity. It measures watch time, replays, completion rate, and early engagement. Here's a key insight. Your video is tested in the first first 2 to 3 seconds. If that fails, nothing else matters. AI video formats that actually work on TikTok. High-performing AI formats are realistic talking avatars, visual transformation, ASMR-style loops, watch till the end reveals, fake but believable realism. Okay? Low-performing formats are over-edited cinematic clips, long intros, obvious AI effect. Right? Here's a common mistakes people make. They build for YouTube equality, not TikTok behavior. So, choosing the right AI tool. You don't need 10 tools. You need one visual generator, one face solution, one visual generator, one voice solution, one editor. Rule: if a tool slows posting, it hurts growth. Speed beats perfection on TikTok. Okay? Hook engineering for AI videos. Your hook must create curiosity, look real, start mid-action. Here's a bad hook and a good hook. Bad hook would be, this video was made with AI. A good hook, this isn't real, but watch closely. Pro tip, never explain AI in the first 5 seconds. Let the brain argue first. Okay. Now, making AI videos feel native, not artificial. To feel native, use vertical framing, slight camera movement, natural pacing, imperfect cut. Here's a simple hack. Add a tiny delay before motion. Real humans don't react instantly. Optimization mistakes that kill reach. Avoid long captions, hashtag stuffing, overbranding, AI demo vibes. Okay?
We'll be friends.
Sorry for that. Instead, short captions, one clear emotion, one visual idea, loop-friendly endings. TikTok rewards simplicity, not explanation. Okay? Next, scaling to AI content broadly. Once something works, don't reinvent it. Change one variable at a time. Post consistently. Okay? Here is the truth. TikTok growth is replication, right? Not creativity. So AI video on TikTok isn't about tools. It's about understanding attention.
Thank you.
Let me go back. Excuse me. If you want a breakdown of a viral AI TikTok case studies, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It will catch you in the next time.